So, back in my favourite place, the cabin. So just start stripping down these tiles. Most of it in here is sort of done now. Need to get rid of the oil boiler. Not sure that's something I should do alone, or get a professional in. Don't know, please look into that. I like to take it out myself, but don't really want to waste a load of oil or flood the cabin out with oil or water. But for now, just going to start stripping these tiles. What makes it more fun is that there's two lots of tiles, one on top of the other. It's got these boards on as well, which luckily all the screws that hold it on are full of adhesive. So I need to figure out how to scrape that out. Oh, better. Wish I had a bigger chisel. This is the largest one that's in my toolbox, unfortunately. Now I need to figure out how to get these off. So I'm still sort of trying to work out how to sort of lay out this room. So this is obviously going to be the kitchen side, as what it was. Got the water in and out here, which is where the sink would be. Annoyingly, this window is quite low. At the bottom of this, sort of below my hip. So I can't have the sink underneath the window. It's going to have to be in that corner. Whether I have it come out sort of in an L shape. Before it was just sort of straight down that side and straight down this side. It looked a bit odd. So just sort something out with that. Then also it's going to be part dining room as well. Got a table up against the window, looking out onto the lock. Then there'd be a nice sort of fence to enclose the front garden for dogs. We've accumulated more rubbish again as well from in the house. There's blinds and curtains and it's one of the beds. Kept these two as well though. Sit outside in the summer hopefully. If there's any sun, that is. Yeah, it's coming along, slowly but surely. Need to figure out what to do.
For a lovely walk. We just stopped for a tea and a Tunnocks. That's a new combo for us, Ollie, that we like.
Tea and tonic.
A tea and a Tunnocks. We're on the neighbouring lock. This isn't ours, but we can still walk here from the house. Probably about 40 minutes walking, something like that. And I think it's going to be our new favourite wild swimming spot next year, because this lock is a lot calmer than the lock that we live on.
Quieter as well.
And quieter, yeah. Ollie's just taken the drone up for a little explore.
Now I can't feel my fingers.
Yeah, I can't feel my fingers either. So yeah. you know what I've realised? You've got that orange coat. No, orange fleece as well, haven't you?
I'm a Carhartt one.
Oh no, the one that Jake got you.
Oh yeah. That's red.
Orange is your colour.
Oh, I do like an orange.
Jessie's usually scared of bridges. God knows how it started or when. Oh, you're being so good, Jessie. Go, keep going.
So after the blizzard and windy storm we had last week, we had a lot of branches come down from our trees. So I'm going to show Alannah how to use the chainsaw and an axe. So there we go.
I'll be even more of an independent woman.
Can't eat that for this. Try that first. So basically, that needs to be full of fuel, which yeah, which you fill up there. Then that one needs to be filled up with chain oil.
How would I know that? It doesn't say chain oil on it. Okay.
There's a picture of a chain above it. Which is petrol and a bit of oil. I'll show you how to mix up in the garage.
How do you...
Then that's it. You need to flick it on with the switch.
Yeah.
When it's cold, I mean I've used it so it's not cold at the moment, you need to pull the choke out.
Yeah.
Let it stay from it, so it should start. So you basically just switch it on, put your foot there, hold it down there. Switch off that switch again. Then once it's running, you push that in to a click, and that engages the drive.
I've already forgotten. Like, we just have to do it as we go.
Yeah.
Because...
Basically, once that's engaged, put your hand on there, and push that down.
Right. I've forgotten everything of it.
And then that's the throttle.
One at a time. For Christ's sake, Christ alive.
Do you want to put some goggles out?
Are you not going to do it first and show me?
Well, I am, yeah. I've
Okay,
got some goggles to wear.
Goggles for... Do you not have any protection here? No protection here?
Don't need it.
What
I've got
happens?
trousers on.
Yeah, but what if you like saw yourself apart?
Flick on. Now it's your turn, after a quick costume change. Do you want some help?
Look how high up they are on me compared to you. My legs are bigger than yours. Yeah.
Quite
I feel like a like, are they called chaps?
Yeah, they're called chaps. I'm
Like
a cowboy.
I'm a cowboy.
Cowwoman.
A logger.
I should have put my jacket shirt on.
Yeah.
Do that next time.
I think I've got a check shirt as well.
For one mile, 50.
Okay. I am a bit scared. Obviously. Should I keep my hat on? Yeah. I can't hear anything now. Okay. Right. Does this just move down?
Yeah, it just pulls down. And then you've got a hat on, I think. Just go like that.
It's okay.
Do you want to start it? Or do you want me to start it?
We've realised I'm left-handed. Making things difficult, so it's completely different to what Ollie just
It's not completely different. Still got to start at the same. So remember, switch.
Should I put my gloves on?
No, yeah, it's out of gear.
Let me come
I'll do it here, so you're in the camera.
around here. Okay. I've forgotten everything.
So, switch that on.
Yeah. Can I do that now?
Yeah. Switch it down. Switch it on. Literally put your foot through. And pull that until it starts. Just push that down as well so it doesn't count with you.
And then what from there?
Then once it's running, you can pull that in to put it into gear.
And then just start cutting. I can do that, I think.
You can.
Alright.
Get the gloves as well. Might be easy to start it without the gloves on.
So I'll start it, I'll turn it on.
Which it is now.
And then I'm gonna do that.
Yeah.
Then I'll put
Then
my
it'll
gloves
start running, yeah. Put your gloves on.
Then I'll put my gloves on.
Put it into gear.
How do I put it into gear?
Pull
Pull that
forward.
back.
You feel it like click.
And then cut away.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it. What were you saying about putting my foot here?
Just put your foot through the
Oh, yeah,
handle
to
to
do
help
that.
hold it steady.
And it's already turned on.
Yeah.
So it's time for this now. It's actually really heavy. Like, that's the bit I wasn't used to. And I didn't realise I had to like hold that.
That's like it's saying the throttle.
But I can't hear you, can I?
I explained that before I've
Yeah,
done
but-
this video.
I haven't seen enough videos that, I think. It's worth saying the dogs are fully in the house when we're axing and do you say axing?
Yeah.
Chopping.
Chopping.
And using the chainsaw, the dogs are not anywhere outdoors.
Just Jessie will get right in the way.
Yeah. I'm more excited about learning to axe than using the chainsaw, but Ollie thinks it should be the other way around. Is me being left-handed also going to limit me?
No, she'll be fine. She's just hitting it at different sides.
Do you use it with like both hands?
Yeah, I do both hands.
Okay.
Try and cut it more. Yeah, like that.
Okay, yeah, that does actually feel better.
And then when we need to get a chopping block and probably a longer axe.
And I just go with like full pelt.
Yeah, full pelt. Just keep going until you hit the stump.
Okay. I mean, that's not going to happen. As much as I'd like it to, I'm going to miss it completely.
I have done that a few times.
Oh.
You're in.
Something. Let's go again.
All your might.
Knowing how to like sit. Do you usually do it something else?
Yeah, because I have a chop block and I have long axe.
Yeah, you get more like.
We need to get more axes, unfortunately.
How far up do you go?
How high you want. Just go full swing.
Oh, let's get.
Oh,
Stand that. Yes. I like this. I've got to do that one a bit more then.
try that one again.
Alright. Do you want to stand back?
I do. Higher up than that.
Yeah.
Like over your head.
Why do we keep doing it? Ah, yes. That's like
That was a
perfect.
good one. Right in the half. First one.
Keep them coming.
Perfect. I'm going to get one of the big ones to try.
Is it this easy or am I just really good?
It's really good. Still, maybe not.
Let's leave that one.
That's because it's got a knot in it, that one.
Yeah, it's the log's fault, not mine. So straight down the middle again.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not meant to swear for YouTube. Christ, yes. You can do chainsaws, I can do chopping.
That worked pretty well. We didn't have like a conveyor belt between us.
Do you not chop that again?
Yeah, you probably could, to be fair.
I'm getting confident now.
Getting cocky.
I'm like the least cocky person ever. I mean, I think I found my new hobby.
It's when they've got when there's a knot in the log, it makes it harder. Good little workout as well.
It is a good workout.
Corby.
keep them coming.
I will.
There might be some dogs join you in a second.
They don't know how to get through. Finished for the day.
Yeah, I think so. Got to a good place. Is that nice wood or not?
Eh?
Is that nice wood or not?
Floorboards.
Prefer that to having the carpet down.
Be cold and
Yeah.
noisy.
Yeah.
So I'm just putting a new underlay down in our main bedroom, which is sort of half painted as well. There's the new underlay and the old underlay. Just thought I'd have a look under the hatch onto the house. Should have probably flashed them up quickly. It's quite a big raised floor, which is good because I want to insulate under the floorboards with some netted up insulation. There's more room down there than I thought, which is good because I'm very claustrophobic. Gonna shut me in.
Co-pilot. She's matching the car in her racing green. Get in the back, gal.
We've had to cut the arms off because it kept getting stuck.
We're going for a lovely walk. Can you tell we like green? Get in the back, Jessica.
Alannah's on the hunt for a 4-leaf clover.
Or about to fall in a bog, one or the other.
Probably fall in a bog first.
That's quite deep there. I've been looking for about 10 minutes and I've not found one, so might have to give up. It's not the day.
Go try and watch her get back over.
Ollie just had such a good spot. We were heading back and look what we found. Probably fall into a hole in the ground and never come back. It is pristine. What's it called, Ollie?
Is it a fly garrick?
God knows. It's got a skirt, I think.
Yeah.
Amazing. We just spotted that amazing red mushroom, and then behind us, Ollie started pointing.
There was a big red kite up there.
And I
Disappeared.
couldn't work out what he was trying to get me to look at. And Ollie said when he points at something, it'll be one of these 4 things. And what are those 4 things,
A
Ollie?
mushroom, a big bird of prey, a wispy little dog, or a gunner.
So niche. It's the wispy old dog for me.